Hi guys, it's Bryn from the vac shop in Brighouse, and look what's just arrived. The brand new Henry Quick cordless vacuum cleaner. These have just come out today. Join us to unbox it. Oh, this is exciting. So, instructions. With this model you get 26 pods free of charge, it says. Included. There they are, boxes of 10. So one handle by the looks of it. Ooh, the fluoride. Wall mount. Charger. These are the attachments and the extra pods on them there. Battery. And the Henry Quick itself already loaded with one pod. Got the little smiley face. Let's build it up. Well, first impressions, it feels quite sturdy. Oh, I've just popped all the rubbish back in its box. I came across this little fella. It's an air freshener supplied by Pneumatic, and it just goes in the back of the machine there. So we'll just bob that in and then we'll give it a quick go. Just a little black rubber cap pops off. Smells quite nice. Smells like sweets. I'll change the angle of the camera and then you can see it having a go. So it's all built up. I've put the air freshener in. Gonna do a bit of a mess test now. I'm gonna use max power, see how we get on. Low power, max power. Well, you obviously want my opinion. I think that's absolutely brilliant. Give us a like, give us a follow. I'll be back with more.